Hello guys, welcome to Flair. Today we will learn how to start or stop an EC2 instance using Lambda, and also we will automate this process using CloudWatch events. To stop and start EC2 instances at regular intervals using Lambda, you need to perform the following steps. 1. Create a custom AWS identity and access management policy and execution role for your Lambda function. 2. Create Lambda functions that stop and start your EC2 instances. 3. Test your Lambda functions. 4. Create CloudWatch events rules that trigger your function on a schedule. Now let's create a custom AWS identity and access management policy and execution role for your Lambda function. For this, sign in to the AWS Management Console and open the IAM console. In the navigation pane of the IAM console, choose Roles, and then choose Create Role. Then for select type of trusted entity, choose AWS Service. Choose Lambda Service on the Use Case section. Then choose Next, Permissions. Here you can see list of the service permissions. Search for AWS Lambda Basic Execution Role. Select this role. Now search for EC2, as we need permission of EC2 to stop the server. Select Amazon EC2 Full Access. Then choose Next, Tags. Choose Next, Review. For role name, the degree of role name customization is defined by the service. If the service defines the role's name, this option is not editable. If possible, type a role name or role name suffix. Role names must be unique within your AWS account. Review the role and then choose Create Role. Now our IAM role is created. Let's create a Lambda function. Following are the steps to create the Lambda function. Select Lambda under Compute Service. Select Create Function. Select Author from Scratch and enter the name to the function. As we are first creating function for starting an EC2 server, so give name EC2 start. Select Python 3.6 as runtime, and for the role, choose an existing role and select role which is created earlier and create function. Here is the Python code to start the server. Just replace the instance ID and region with your instance ID and region. You can find the code in the description section of this video. Add this Python code to function, then click on Deploy. Now you can test the code by clicking on the test and then click on Create. Give a name to this test event and click Create. You can see the EC2 server is in a stop state. Now let's execute our function. Click on Test to execute the function. In the test result, you can see the log has started your instance. Let us check in the EC2 dashboard. Here you can see the instance is in a pending state. That means our function is executed successfully. Now we have created our Lambda function. Let us create a CloudWatch event rule to automate this process. For this, go to Services and search for CloudWatch. In the CloudWatch, click on Rules under Events in the left panel. Now choose Create Rule. Under Event Source, choose Schedule. Do either of the following. For the fixed rate, enter an interval of time in minutes, hours, or days. For cron expression, enter an expression that tells Lambda when to start your instances. Cron expressions are evaluated in UTC. Make sure that you adjust the expression for your preferred time zone. In our case, this event is scheduled to run every day at 4:55 p.m. IST. Under Targets, choose Add Target. Choose Lambda function. For function, choose the function that starts your EC2 instances. Choose Configure Details. Under Rule Definition, do the following. For name, enter a name to identify the rule, such as EC2 start. For state, choose the Enable checkbox. Choose Create Rule. Now go into the scheduler that we have created. Here you can see the next 10 trigger dates. You can see our instance is in a stop state. Let's wait for the event to be triggered. Seems it has triggered. Now let us verify in EC2 dashboard. So here you can see the EC2 instances in a pending state. To stop EC2 using Lambda and CloudWatch, you need to repeat the same steps as we have seen in the entire course of the video. Python code for stopping the instance is given in the description below. Thanks for watching the video. In the next video, we will see how to add layers in the Lambda function.